Here's us enjoying ourselves before our demise. Woo! That was smooth.
Y'all ever see a dingy ass trail? Y'all ever see something that you might not turn back to?
What?
You ever go this way? Lead the way, buddy. You ever go Evil Bob, Sideshow Bob?
Never heard of it. This is the beginning of the end.
then.
You will be seeing us walking a lot more than riding.
It's pretty freaky. Alright.
Perfect conditions for it too. Not Evil Bob. Oh, it's so slippery.
So it's like easy, and then it gets like
Crazy.
instantly really crazy.
Kind of lulling you into false sense of security.
Yeah, it's what it leads.
Yeah, I mean, I'm going blind into this, so I'm gonna go a little easier.
Not trying to be a man here. Oh shit! I would have made it. Oh shit! You all right?
Yeah.
Honestly, this trail looks so flat on video, but it's really, really steep. GoPro obviously does not do this justice. Yo, this is not. Yo, I barely stopped.
Honestly, I stopped because my GoPro I was like, oh god.
Is it on?
No.
Oh.
Freaked out. I was like, oh,
I'm not gonna go down from here. Oh, there's my pedals. Yo, I can't even put my leg over. It's so steep. What happened here? I can't even hop on.
dude, I like fell into the bushes over there.
Wait, where's the trail?
Here.
I'll stay behind you guys.
Okay, I mean...
Like, we gotta give ourselves ample distance.
Yeah, I agree. I'm going blind on this also, Pat.
We could be sending it instead of doing this hike and bike stuff. Drop?
No.
Okay, is it a roller?
No, it's a ride slab.
Okay.
You got slip through that? Oh, fuck.
I don't know how I saved that.
Alright. You want to roll that? It's like ice.
Oh.
You just flew down it.
Ooh. Oh,
Take
fuck. I'm gonna roll down it.
Got it.
Hold on, my legs are cramping up again. Ooh. It's fine.
Okay.
That was a graceful dismount.
Oh, Joey didn't ride it?
No.
I don't know how I saved it, man. I like stopped right at that ledge right there.
Saw that.
You pulled off a few miracles.
I guess the race course is like straight over these rocks.
I don't like walking my bike. I like riding my bike. Oh, the walk of shame. This kind of takes you down a few pegs. That's for sure.
I'm enjoying the adventure.
This ain't riding, this is walking. You're like, let's go ride.
All right, we have no idea where we're going. I'm leading. Let's go. Oh shit, foot got caught. Off to a good start. Wait, am I supposed to be going down there? No. Where are we going?
Oh! That's the other one. That's the other bob trail. Whoa!
I was like, am I running down the creek?
Fucking bonkers.
Wait, how do we go home?
This is the way.
This way? Oh man.
Yo, this would actually be a pretty funny video. Hiking and bike.
Yo, I was like, am I supposed to go down this creek?
I think so.
Because I have no idea. Let me know if we see anything that resembles a trail that we know. This was a bad idea. I wanted to do bamboo.
This is a bad idea.
You're on your bike?
Yeah.
Oh shit. It says closed. What does that mean? Oh shit, Matt fell. You know what? I'm not saying I could totally do this if it was dry, but it wouldn't be as bad. Yeah, Sideshow Bob, double black tech.
Wow. Look at that.
It really exists.
There are no other videos of the bob trails on YouTube. This is one of the first. Sorry it doesn't show you any of the actual trails in the footage here.
I don't like this wet rock shit. Yeah, I'm not even attempting that wet slab, yo. That's like, you see water. It's got death written all over it.
I sort of like maybe left right there. Around that tree.
I'm gonna walk through the nice soil and leaves. Oh shit.
Ready? Yeah, we're almost there.
Yeah.
This is pretty fucking steep.
I'm almost just waiting to see civilization again. So you can't ride down everything on a mountain bike, at least now with our current skill level.
It's pretty messed up.
Yeah. Oh shit, Matt's gonna lead. Oh shit. That's almost what happened to me at Bushwhack.
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't even make it.
Where are my pedals?
Yo, we're like beating the shit out of our bikes right now.
Oh, okay, that's not rideable.
Huh? All right, if you guys are walking, I'm walking. Yeah. This wet rock will freaking kill us. Yo, I got like no grip with these 510s.
I have no tread. No tread. I'm trying to help you down.
Yeah. I gotta like. Yeah, I got it. The bike's going this way. Stepping on the ledges.
You grab your bike?
Yeah, I got it.
Right.
You know what the crazy thing is? Even walking down it, it doesn't look so bad.
It's a little like twisty and technical though.
I think it's because we lost all momentum. You know what I'm saying? Like we can't, like it's kind of hard to hop on this.
I think we're bungled.
It's like we lost the
I'm
flow.
like terrified like what is around that corner.
I don't know what's going on with this man.
Well, at least we know we're on a trail of some sort.
We can confirm.
Yeah, I mean, we're almost there, like at the bottom. Like I'm pretty sure that's the water park right there. So.
I swear I can totally ride this better if the conditions were better and I wasn't so shocked by it. You see how me and Bruiser bike can ride. This is actually an embarrassment.
What happened? the back wheel got caught. Ah, screw that. This is a bad idea. I just wanted to have fun. My left knee's starting to hurt again. I think I'm done after this one. Unless we do a party lap down the green. Are we finally home? Yo, hiking a bike with this bike, it's not fun. Oh! Holy shit.
I just wish I had a battery. this
Oh wow, that looks steeper from down here.
Matt like fell down this whole
Oh, he fell too.
Yeah.
Oh man. Alright. Back on the bike.
However, if you're willing to test your skills, go see it for yourself.
I don't want to do that anymore.